Hello students, welcome once again to another section. And in this section we have a question over here. Now we said the radius of earth at the equator is approximately 4,000 miles, right? Suppose a jet flies once around the earth at a speed of 500 miles per hour relative to the earth. If the flight path is negligible height above the equator, then among the following choices, the best estimate of the number of hours of flight is what? So you realize that we said the radius of the earth at the equator is approximately that. Now one thing I should know is that the length of the flight path is approximately the circumference of the earth at the equator. So if that is the circumference of the earth at the equator, then we are saying that circumference here is just 2 pi r here, right? So which means that circumference will just be 2 pi here multiplied by the radius, right? Radius is just 400 here, 4,000 miles, and the circumference is just going to be 8,000. Then we have pi here, then we have it in miles, right? So that will be the circumference. But the question says that what is the best estimate of the number of hours of the flight if we are given that if the flight if a jet flies once around the earth at a speed of what 500 miles per hour. So which means that we have 500 miles here is equal to an hour here. Now the question says that what is the best estimate of the number of hours of the flight if we are having the new how do we call it the radius here to be 8,000 pi miles, right? So which means that we have 8,000 pi miles here equal to, I don't know. So over here, if less, more divide, and if more, less divide. So we have 800 pi miles here, right, multiplied by an hour, then we divide it by 500 miles here, miles. So we realize that miles will get rid of miles, then we have this and that gets rid of that, and we have 5 goes into that, we have it as 16, and therefore this will just be equal to 16 pi, right, which is 16 pi hours. And this 16 pi here is just 50.2655 approximately is equal to 50, right? Approximately we have the value here as 50. So therefore we can then conclude that our answer here is just C, right? All right, so thank you very much for joining me in this section. I hope this session was helpful. Please leave a comment. If you are new here, like and also subscribe to be notified anytime a new video is released. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in another section.